Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. So I thought to do a quick video before my next upload. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I made this stitch. I have my hook in 4.00 mm and I doubled my strands. I need you to make any even number of chains. I'll be working with 20 chains for the sake of this tutorial. So make a magic knot and chain 20. So here I have 20 chains. Next I'm going to chain up 6. Into our 6th chain from our hook, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to place 1 double crochet in there and into the next chain and into the next chain. So here I have 3 double crochets. Next I need you to chain 1, skip the next chain here, and into the next 3 chains place 1 double crochet in each. Chain 1, skip the next chain and into the next 3 place 1 double crochet. So I'm just going to keep at that till I get to the end of my row. So now we've gotten to the end of our row. I have 2 chains left, so I'm going to chain 1, skip this, and into the last place 1 double crochet there. So now we're at the end of our row 1. In order to advance into row 2, chain 1, turn your work. So now we're going to place 1 single crochet in this space right here, right above this double crochet stitch. We're going to place 1 single crochet there, and into this chain space of 1 we're going to place another single crochet there, chain 3, into this chain space of 1 place another single crochet, chain 3, in here place 1 more single crochet, chain 3, place 1 single crochet in that space right there, chain 3, place 1 single crochet in this space here, chain 3. So now we've gotten to the end of our row 2. In order to end this our row 2, we're going to place 1 single crochet in here. If you can remember, here we had 2 single crochets, so here we have 1. I'm going to place the 2nd single crochet. I'll just count up 1, 2, 3 into the 3rd chain. I'm going to place 1 more single crochet in there. So here we're at the end of our row 2. Advancing into row 3, chain 4. 3 chain stands as 1 double crochet plus 1 extra chain. So we're going to place 3 double crochets in these spaces. Now chain 3 space. So I'm going to place 3 double crochet in here. Chain 1. In the next, place 3 double crochets. Chain 1 into the next. Chain 1 into the next. chain 1 into the next, chain 1, and for our last stitch we're going to place 1 double crochet in this single crochet stitch we have here. So now we're at the end of our row 3. So basically this is how the stitch works. We're going to keep repeating our row 2 and row 3 till you get to your desired length. So I'm just going to work up a few rows and show you how it looks like. So this is how the stitch is. It's a very beautiful stitch. You should definitely check out what I made with it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.